Josh Dolphin, General Manager for Lawn Care Alert. In the downtime between snowstorms and gearing up for spring, you just want to keep things tidy, because if there's one thing that kills efficiency, it's clutter, mess, disorganization. So it's very important that you keep the inside of the trucks clean. And right now we're just doing a little bit of detailing and starting off with cleaning the windshield, like so. Finished cleaning the trucks today. That's all we got time for. We are now going to drum up some commercial business for this coming spring, summer, and fall. We are primarily residential, but we do a lot of commercial too. See you soon.